Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in the last class, we have discussed about these options like the callouts, that how you can use them and how you can insert them. And after that we discussed about the arrows and lines, that how you can insert them. And after that we discussed about the shape, that how you can insert the shape in a video. Now we are going to move these options. So as you can see here, the first option for the blur. If you want to add a blur in your video, you can also do that. So basically what we have to do, we have to add the video first. So let's go to the media section and then we are going to insert a video. So as you can see, now we have to click this here and click on the continue. And now we have to click on the annotation and now have a see. And now here you will see the blur option. So we have to drag this here. And now as you can see, this is the blur section. If you want to blur any part of the video, you can also do that. And if you want to increase the size, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to increase the size. So as you can see, this is the difference between the blur. If you want to hide this layer, so as you can see, you will see the difference like this. So this is working. If you want to add a blur anywhere, so you just have to use this option. And after that, as you can see, has the spotlight. So if you want to use this option, you can also do that. For example, I want the spotlight here, and as you can see, it will work like this. And now it's done. It's working. So this is the spotlight. And after that, as you can see, here's another option which is called highlight. If you want to highlight anything, so as you can see, I want to highlight these things, so I'm going to highlight them and I'm going to scroll this and now put it here and make it, and now it's okay. So in this way you can highlight the video. Let's play this. So this is the function of this highlight option. In this way you can highlight. So after that we have another option which is called pixelate. If you want to use this option, you can also do that. So as you can see, this is the option. If you want to increase the size of this, you can also do that. You just have to say increase the size like in this way. And it has intensity. If you want to increase the intensity, you can also do that. Or if you want to decrease, you can also do that. It's up to you and it's up to your video editing style. So as you can see, I have did this in this way. So in this way, you can increase the intensity. So in this way, you can these options like here's a blur option, and after that we have a spotlight option, and here we have a highlight option, and here we have a pixelate option. So in this way you can use these options. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.